One, action.
Well friends, the purpose of this video is to...
One, action.
Well friends, the purpose of this video acts as a tutorial. Sekejap, dia sangkut sikit. Teruskan boleh tak?
Okay, teruskan.
Well friends, and don't forget to stay tuned for upcoming... Welcome to our Suspension Workshop Series episode with me here, where I will be telling you about... Tengok aku masuk terus lah, second dulu.
Action!
Welcome once again to our Suspension Workshop Series with me, your host Joe, where I will be letting you know today about the first function with this Guys, in this episode, I'm going to show you two types of measurements. Oh, sorry.
Okay, next kali, tak apa. Okay, action!
Free sec is defined as the distance of the rear... Free sec is defined as the distance of the rear end hits the ground with the weight of... Free sec... Free sec is defined as the distance of the rear... Free sec is defined as the distance of the rear end hits the ground only with the weight of the motorcycle. Loosen the shocks by simply turning the adjusters anti-clockwise, and if the value is... And if you get the value which is and for the next calculation... Itu susah.
Okay, still rolling.
Different weight to test it out to see. And for the next calculation, which is ride height, we're gonna make a case study with two riders with two riders with two separate weight to teach you how to adjust the spring preload.
Every time you speak, mesti dia tu. Okay.
And for this next calculation, which is the ride height, we're gonna make a case study with two separate... Senyum lah.
Rolling and action!
For this second calculation... Okay guys, we have ended this episode about spring adjustable preload. And I hope this new blah blah blah.
Okay, still rolling. Action! Sorry.
About spring adjustable preload, and I hope that this newfound knowledge will get to help you preload, and I hope that this bike runs wide in corners. Well, that friends is... So let the test begin to get the proper adjustable rebound settings. And last but not least, don't forget to press the like button, share it with your friends, and smash the like button. Smash the... Smash. Welcome to the final piece of the Suspension Workshop Series where I will teach you how to do suspension compression. Blah blah blah. Welcome to the final series of the Suspension Workshop Series. We will start the motorbike. And that, my friends, sum up the compression adjustments in this final episode of our Suspension Workshop Series. Mana tu? And that, my friends, sum up this episode of compression adjustments in the final episode of